Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a strong anchor at the roots. Work on clean, fully dry dreads, remove loose fibers, then gather the specific locks that will become the support cluster. Palm roll and twist each root tightly to compress hair into a firm nub. Once compact, secure with a small rubber band placed snugly at the scalp. This gives you a durable foundation. Once done, you have concentrated rigidity at the base that will hold vertical tension as you build the upright structure. You now form the central support column. Combine 3 to 6 adjacent dreads into one bundle and align their roots. Begin wrapping with a thin natural fiber yarn or soft band from the anchored root up to about mid-shaft, keeping tension even but not cutting circulation. As you wrap, palm roll and gently interweave loose hairs between dreads so they fuse into one stiffer unit. This fused core increases stiffness and prevents individual locks from flopping. Make sure the wrap is neat and snug without constricting your scalp. You finish by physically setting the column upright. Lift the bundled unit into the desired vertical position and secure the base close to the scalp with a discreet stitch or hidden band to lock the angle. Redistribute adjacent dreads so weight sits evenly and trim or tuck any overly heavy tips. If the structure sags, tighten the root anchor, rewrap the core with firmer tension, or insert a thin, lightweight internal support, wool or flexible rod, and hide it inside the bundle. This single corrective step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.